Hi everyone, is your PC slow? Let's fix Windows 11 in just few minutes. In this video, I will show you how to instantly fix slow Windows PC. Here are quick steps to speed up things in Windows PC. Disable startup apps. Head over to your taskbar, go down there, that's your taskbar, right click on it, go to Task Manager, click on it. Task Manager dialog box opens, go to Startup Apps, click on that. Now you will see a list of startup apps installed on your computer. Now there are columns here. You will see the first column is names of the startup apps, of the apps. You see the publisher, you see status. Now focus on the name column and the status column. Now we want to disable some startup apps. Now if I go through this list and I will see here video pad. This is my video pad editor. It's over here enabled to start up when the computer starts. So I'm going to click on that, go at the top section here and disable it. Or I can just right click on that app and disable it. Okay, you can see here it's now disabled. I can go through all this list of apps on my PC and disable third-party apps that I do not need to start up when the computer starts. Now if I look at Microsoft Themes, that's an app. Okay, so I will click on that and disable it over there. You can see here it's now disabled. You should do the same for your computers. Now this makes boot time much faster. Now when you're done, go over there and close it. Let's clear temporary files. Now to do that, head over to Start button, right click on it, choose Settings, click on it. When it opens, go to the left hand side, choose System, choose Storage. Let it load. Now click on temporary files. These are list of your temporary files. Okay, so you'll see the ones that have ticks on that. When you let this be, if you click on remove files, it deletes all the files, but you can go ahead and uncheck the files that you want to remain. So what I will do is I'm just going to uncheck that, uncheck this, uncheck this. I'm going to delete temporary files. I'll uncheck this, uncheck this, uncheck that, uncheck that. So I'm going to delete temporary internet files and I will delete Windows Defender Antivirus. I'm also going to delete here temporary files. So once you select the files that you want to delete, go ahead and click remove files. Remove files, this is to confirm if you want to permanently delete this file. So I'll go ahead and click continue. Now the files are deleted, so I'm going to close this. Check for updates. Now head over to Startup button, right click, go to Settings, go to Windows Update, click on it. Now over here, Windows Update, you will see here that it says you're up to date. If your system is not up to date, go over here and click Check for updates. Install latest updates. Now updates often fix bugs and improve speed. Now that's it. When you're done, click Close. Adjust visual effects. Now go to your taskbar, click the search button. Now search for adjust performance. Now this is it over here. Click on that. Now the dialog box comes out. Select the settings that you want to use for the appearance and performance of Windows on this computer. Now by default, Windows would choose what's best for your computer, but you can customize it and these are different options. Now choose adjust for best performance. When you do that, click on apply and click OK. Now Windows will run smoother right away. So I'm going to click apply and then click OK. And that's it. So the next thing is to scan the computer whether there are viruses so we can delete that. Go to your taskbar and search for Windows Security. Go to the taskbar, click on the search box and type in Windows Security. This is it here. I'll click on it. Windows Security is a built-in application in Windows 10 and 11. It provides comprehensive protection through features like Microsoft Defender Antivirus for real-time malware protection. Now, we want to scan this computer to take off any virus in the system. Now, these are the things that Windows Security would normally do: virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection. But we are interested in the virus and threat protection. So I'm going to click on this. So here we are more interested in the virus and threat protection. Now, most people do not know that Microsoft Windows operating system 10 and 11 does come with built-in antivirus software, which is called Windows Defender Antivirus. So you don't really need a third-party antivirus software installed on your computer. Now, your Windows Defender antivirus software can easily do that for you. All right, virus and threat protection. If I look at current threats, it says on my computer, no current threats. Last time scanned, this is the date for the last time scanned. But we can go ahead and do a quick scan to see whether there is any virus in this system. So I'm going to click on this to quickly scan this computer. It's going to take a few minutes. You can see here that it's finished scanning and it says protection for your device against threats, no current threats found. This is great. So you can see Windows Defender provides real-time, always-on protection against viruses, malware, ransomware, and other security threats. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and close the window. Delete application installed in your system that you don't need. Now to do that, head over to the Start button and right-click on it. Now right-click on the Start button, go to Settings, click on Settings, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps. This will show you a list of third-party applications installed on your system. Now go through the list and delete application that you don't need. Make sure it's a third-party application. So I'm going to scroll down to show you how to delete application from your system. So I'm going to delete VideoPad Video Editor. Now to delete, go to the three dots, click on the three dots, click on Install. Click on Install. Click here on Install and click Next. Click Next. Put a tick there, click Next. Now uninstall is complete, close. Do this for all the applications you do not need for your system. Once done, head over to the top right-hand corner and close the window. My last tip here is restart your Windows PC regularly. It clears background processes and refreshes your computer memory. Let me know in the comment section which of the tips helped you.